In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Freshdesk, along with some details on automation and best practices. Merging tickets can be a crucial function when dealing with duplicates or related inquiries, and doing it effectively can streamline your workflow and improve customer support efficiency. Let's begin by looking at how to perform a manual merge using the Freshdesk interface. This process is available to agents who have the necessary permissions, enabling them to consolidate multiple tickets into one coherent thread. To start, navigate to the Tickets tab within your Freshdesk account. Here, you can view all the tickets you're working on. Identify the tickets you want to merge, and then select them by clicking the checkboxes next to each one. Another option is to begin directly from an open ticket. When you're viewing a ticket, you'll notice an action bar where there's a Merge button. Clicking this will bring up a Merge dialog, offering a more directed path to consolidating your tickets. Once you're in the Merge dialog, it's important to select the primary ticket. The primary ticket is the one that will remain open, with all the secondary tickets merging into it. Consider it the master ticket that will hold all the information. If needed, you can also choose to include requesters and CC emails from the secondary tickets into this primary ticket. This ensures that all necessary parties remain in the loop, which can be especially helpful for maintaining transparency and collaboration. After you've set your preferences, click Continue. This stage allows you to review and edit merge notes. These notes can be vital for clarity, especially if you're working on a team or anticipating follow-ups. It's worth considering whether to mark these notes as public or private. Public notes might send notifications to requesters, so reflect on what information is appropriate to share externally. When you're satisfied, click the Merge button to complete the process. Remember that this action is irreversible, so double-check your selections before proceeding. Once the merge is executed, the conversation threads from all secondary tickets will be consolidated into the primary ticket in chronological order. Not only does this help you keep track of the history of interactions, but it also creates a clear narrative that you can easily follow. It's crucial to note that, post-merge, all secondary tickets will be closed and removed from your ticket lists. Each of these closed tickets will include a note, whether private or public, linking it back to the primary ticket. If you've opted for public notes, be prepared for potential email notifications to be sent to your requesters, ensuring they understand the context of the merge. And that brings us to the end of our tutorial on merging tickets in Freshdesk. I hope you find these steps and insights helpful in optimizing your support operations. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and best practices to enhance your customer service experience.